Hey guys, I'm vlogging today. I'm meeting with the lovely Tabby on YouTube here. Her name's tabby.violet. I'll link her channel down below. And she recently moved to Denver, Colorado. So we're gonna meet up and chat. And I'm bringing you guys with me. Alright, I'll see you soon. Hey guys! Hi! I'm here with Tabby. We just met, like right now. And we got tea. So I got a passion fruit green tea and she got, what'd you get?
Taro milk tea with pudding.
Pudding. And we are just hanging out, chatting, and I'm gonna show you guys our bags. This is my first vlog-ish, kind of, because I tried to vlog a couple times. It didn't really work out. But
Well, I'm assuming because your camera
it's broken.
I'm just kidding.
She can see that my camera's broken. But yeah, we're just gonna chat and then we'll show you guys our outfits later.
Yay! She's so cute. She's a YouTuber and also a realtor as well. Yay. And also a Colorado resident.
Yeah.
So much in common. And mommy too.
Yes!
And yeah, so this is it. I shall let you go. You're so cute.
You're so cute. You just have one more than me.
One more kids? Oh yeah.
Thank you so much.
Sorry, I don't know if you've got it on, so I don't want to.
Thank you.
Oh no, what's the worries? Thank you. You're so sweet. And then my daughter's on. Oh, you do have it on. Oh, you have it on. Yeah, I didn't realize it. Do you I feel like I want yellow in here. It's okay. Oh well. You don't
I'm
mind?
yellow, so.
Are you? Yeah, those are, I guess. Today it's actually kind of chilly, but not really. In the sun, it's not bad. So I'm wearing a leather jacket from Zara from a couple years back, and then I'm wearing this white dress with a little bit of detail on top. I think this is from H&M.
It's cute.
Yeah, and then these boots are over-the-knee boots from Steve Madden. I actually have Stuart Weitzman over-the-knee boots, but I wanted to try these because these are actually affordable, and the heel is lower. And I got them from the Nordstrom anniversary sale for like $90-something.
Not bad.
Comfy, yeah. And what else? Got my Fendi Peekaboo, and that is it, right? Yeah.
Yay!
Let's do Divine now.
Yes. Hi guys, I'm wearing this jacket. It's like a teddy sweater.
I like
what
that.
That's called.
Yeah.
From eBay.
Ooh, that's cute.
This jumpsuit is from Forever 21. It's like a off-shoulder.
Very cute. Ooh.
These pants are from Zara. I have no idea, honestly. My boots are also from Steve Madden.
Oh wow.
My belt is from my mom. And then my Fendi Peekaboo in the mini mustard with the Defender cover.
Cute. Let me see your belt. Oh, let me see your belt.
Oh,
your purse too, but
from my mom.
That's so cute.
I had to improvise.
Oh, that's okay. Oh, show them your earrings. That's the best part.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go
My
get some.
earrings are from eBay.
Ooh, eBay or Payless?
Oh shoot, Payless. Oh
Yeah.
my god.
I need to get them.
Stuff. And they're closing stores, so everybody go check out Payless.
I'm actually gonna go there and twin.
Yeah.
Yeah, on my way home. It's literally like near my house.
Yes.
Right. You look so cute. Oh, it's so bright.
I know.
It's okay.
Jeez.
I know.
The sun is insane. Alright guys.
I'm gonna look at you so my eyes
I know, like pale. Thanks for hanging out with us guys. It was fun meeting Tabby.
Bye.
I'll link her channel down below. Subscribe. Bye.
Oh, I like your setting.
I know, but look, it's broken. You see that?
How'd you break it?
My kids.
They're playing with it?
Am I zoomed in?
You are zoomed in.
Oh, how do I zoom out?
The other way. Oh, there you go.
See this, like, it's tripping me out. Because it's broken.
I like the color of your screen.
Really?
I didn't figure it out.
I like yours better.
Oh, you're recording? Oh, hello.
Yeah.